Hello, everyone. What a Marvel audience we have. So today I'll be talking with you about the role of people in our DePIN future. And first of all, whenever we're talking about DePIN, let's do a quick temperature check in this room. I have on a slide the number of devices per person that is brought by Cisco Global Analytics. But how many devices do we have at our homes? Let's raise our hand, those people who have at least 2 devices at their home that they can be connected to. It includes mobile phones, it includes computers, anything you can connect online. Okay, who can have 4? What about 6? What about 8? Okay, 12. I don't have 12. Wow. Well, congratulations. We're a little bit of an outlier. So the statistics tells us that around the globe, we have at least 3.7 devices per person per home in 2023. And there are outliers in different countries around the globe, but the reality is so. And with this amount of devices that we have that's surrounding us on a day-to-day basis, we have 4 devices per person. At maximum, we can use our devices maybe 12 hours a day. If you sit on it on a daily basis, you watch on your computer, then on a phone, then on a screen, then on something else, well, maximum we can pull out maybe 12 hours. Maybe there are some even better people here for managing all the digital things. But with all of that, and with 12 hours of daily usage, we only can really use 1 device at a time. So the reality is, when we combine those things together, we see that the utilization rate of each device that we have at our disposal is only 12.5%. So 87.5% of the time that we have our own devices, they're actually sitting idle. There are billions of devices that sit idle across the globe for at least 21 hours a day, every single day. Imagine how big of a potential such a network by itself is if we incentivize and enable people to benefit from the resources that they already have and connect those idle devices to the infrastructure to do something great. Here we are, a Titan network, leveraging idle devices for the decentralized future. So we are an own DePIN project that builds a layer 1 on Cosmos SDK that allows people around the globe to contribute their idle resources to the network, such as storage, bandwidth, and compute. And whenever they contribute those resources, we then aggregate those together, and we provide cloud services on top of this infrastructure. We provide cloud services on top of people-powered network. And Titan Network, due to its unique design and unique functionality, ensures that for you, as an owner of a device, it's very, very easy to contribute the resources. Right now, you can install applications on anything from Raspberry Pi to 5 or 6-year-old mobile phone. You can install it on the phone with just literally 2 clicks and contribute the resources that otherwise sitting without utilization. After you contribute those, we are also ensuring that it's simple to build on. You can rent the resources from the Titan network in the form of traditional cloud infrastructure, similar to a containerized solution that Amazon or AWS is offering. And you can rent those out resources and build on top of those on the fly already today. Once we aggregate those resources and once you rent those out, we're also ensuring that due to our architecture, it's very seamless to scale. So you can rent as many resources as you need, and you can build on top of decentralized infrastructure already today. And the use cases that we at Titan Network are already envisioning building. First of all, Titan provides a data availability layer. Today, we have more than 314,000 registered nodes in more than 100 countries. Those nodes all across the globe are ready to provide CDN, storage, and general cloud workloads out of the box, and you and your company and your solutions can deploy on Titan Network and be ready to build already today. Secondly, we also provide an infrastructure that creates a one-stop shop for DePIN infrastructure. While we at Titan position ourselves as a generalized resource network, where we provide both storage, bandwidth, and compute within one ecosystem, we also collaborate with largest projects in the DePIN space right now who provide specialized resource layer. One of the great examples of a specialized resource layer is Filecoin storage. So we collaborate with Filecoin storage solutions, and people can, while being in the Titan network, can bundle and save up solutions directly to Titan and to Filecoin as well, having a seamless integration and helping each other out on providing the resources that are needed for the customers. We also collaborate with different projects and apps and compute, providing and ensuring that customers have all the range of facilities in one box. Moreover, we strongly believe that it's time for DePIN to reach people where they are. If you're not building a solution that reaches people on a day-to-day basis, you are missing out on a huge, huge potential. And since we're talking about people-powered network, we are also building in the applications that exist on our day-to-day life. So Titan Network is already available on different Telegram apps. Ghost Drive, that was just presenting before me here, we are also collaborating with them. We are ensuring that they have a seamless integration and have an ability to connect to DePIN infrastructure powered by people and for people. Another use case that we are recently releasing and we're having today is a translation app. So if you are building and deploying translator apps directly where the people are, you can reduce the latency, increase the efficiency of translation in a direct one-to-one face conversation. And that's what we're building at Titan Network. So in our strong belief, on one side, we need to empower people and we ensure that all the resources that they have already on a day-to-day basis should be utilized to 100% potential. At the same time, since we're utilizing the resources that have been already produced, that have been already purchased, we are protecting the planet. We don't require you to buy a new device or buy new hardware to be part of the network. You can be part of the network directly today with devices you already own. With all of that, I invite you to become part of the decentralized future. Join our amazing partners and investors and be part of the Titan Network ecosystem today. Thank you a lot for being such a welcoming audience, and that was a pleasure. Thank you a lot. Bye-bye.